Hi guys, I'm Nobonita. Welcome to my channel Foodie's Pad. Holiday bells are ringing. The air is chilly but oddly pleasant. This is the favorite time of the year when I put my culinary skills to the test. Dishes that are classic and time consuming are usually made during this holiday month. Today's recipe is simple but plated in a unique way, presenting Hakka noodles in a patty bowl. Guys, let's get started. This dish needs no introduction. Hakka noodles is a popular Indo-Oriental dish comprising of stir-fried noodles, well-seasoned protein, chicken, prawns and eggs, either in a combination of 2 or 3 of your choice, chopped veggies and a potent sauce concoction. The choice of spices and the flavor profile separates it from the traditional stir-fried noodles that are available worldwide. For the list of ingredients, please check the description box. To make the marinade paste, blend the listed ingredients in a mixer into a paste. This helps to tenderize and flavor the chicken even in a short amount of time. Eggs act as a binding agent that provides stability and shape to the patty. The marination process is usually for a short period of time. Adjust the level of spiciness at this stage. Fish sauce adds an umami, savory, caramelly sweetness to the dish. A little goes a long way. Oyster sauce is the love child of soy sauce and barbecue sauce that further intensifies the overall flavor of the dish. Hey guys, I know that there are many ingredients and the steps might seem cumbersome, but I promise you the end product will make it all worthwhile. I hope that you all will like the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and help me to grow. Thank you. Crispy on the outside, moist and juicy on the inside, the patty tastes absolutely divine. Its pairing with chow mein elevates the overall texture of the dish. With a pair of tongs, gently coddle the noodles from time to time. Coating with flour ensures that the marinade sticks to the protein. You can use vegetable canola or any oil of your choice. Don't overcook the prawns as it becomes chewy or rubbery. Please remember, whenever you are adding protein in the pan, spread it so that most amount of surface area comes in contact with the hot wok. While stir frying the veggies, start with the ones that take longer to cook. It is a classic evening snack that will never go out of vogue. It brings back fond food memories and a smile on my face whenever I make it at home. Stir continuously to avoid food burning or sticking to the bottom of the pan. This version is inspired by the Kolkata style chow mein that holds a secret place in the street food culture. I have used additional flavorings like oyster sauce and fish sauce to enhance its taste and texture. If you are on a clock, then you can skip making the patty bowl, but I will insist to go the extra mile and plate the chow mein in a fine dining style. If you like the video, please press the like button. And guys, like, share and subscribe. Please press the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload a video. Bye guys, take care.